In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razorpay in Wix. If you're looking to integrate Razorpay with your Wix site, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but there are a few important details to be aware of, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Wix dashboard. Now, once you're in your dashboard, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a variety of options there. What you need to do next is scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings menu where we can begin configuring your payment options. In the Settings menu, take a look at the top right corner. You'll see an option that says Accept Payments. Click on that. This section is where you manage the payment methods available on your site. At this point, you might expect to see Razorpay listed, but as you can see, it isn't there. This is because your business location setting is currently set to the United Kingdom and Razorpay is supported only in India. Let's address this by changing the location. Head over to the top right corner once again, and you'll see a component titled Business Location. Click on this area, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, we need to select the appropriate location for Razorpay support. In this case, we'll search for India. Please type in India, select it from the search results, and then click Choose. Changing the business location to India is crucial, as it allows us to access Razorpay as a payment option in our configuration. Once you've changed the business location to India, you'll notice that Razorpay now appears as an available option. Let's proceed to connect it. Look for the Connect button next to Razorpay and go ahead and click on it. This will start the setup process for Razorpay. Now it's time to set up Razorpay with all the necessary information. Usually, this involves inputting details such as your Razorpay account credentials and any other required business information. Please make sure that all the details you enter are accurate, as this ensures a seamless payment process for your customers. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully managed to link Razorpay with your Wix store. This setup will now allow your customers to make payments using Razorpay, providing them with a convenient and secure transaction method. Thanks for following along with the tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for more tips and guides on optimizing your online store. Happy selling!